Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will be doing extreme conditioning protein treatment, and this is going to be with avocado and eggs. Yes guys, you heard me right. This is the first time I am attempting this treatment, and I've heard a lot about using eggs on your hair and avocado, so I'm really curious to see if this is going to make my hair softer, make it easier to detangle, like just to see what it's going to do in general. But yes guys, this is a protein treatment. So for this particular treatment, I am using one big avocado and 2 eggs because I have thicker hair and I want the mask to be enough for my entire hair. So the mistake that I made was buying avocado that was not ripe. So guys, make sure you buy ripe avocado so that the process would be much easier for you, because you should have seen where I was trying to mix this. It was like pounding fufu. So yes, I ended up just mixing the whole entire thing together. I mixed the avocado with my eggs. Now you want to make sure that your mixture is as smooth as possible. As the video goes on, you're going to see the struggles that I had, because even after mixing, I still had lumps. You don't want lumps after you're done mixing. You want a smooth, you want the consistency to be the same so that it's easier to apply to your hair. At this point, I'm tired of mixing this joint, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply it to my hair. Again, please stay in your bathroom when doing this, because just watch me as I start. Because my avocado was not ripe, you could still see the lumps after I mixed, so I had to move myself to the bathroom, which is why I am not going to show you guys the entire application process. The lumps were falling to the floor, so I am going to move to the bathroom to finish applying this to my hair. So you want to take your time and apply this. After applying this, you're supposed to let it sit for about an hour. I let mine sit for an hour, 30 minutes. And I have to tell you guys, this is the best protein treatment I have ever had. Now, on a regular basis, my hair is very tough. But after sitting with it for an hour, 30 minutes, I must say, even a few days later, my hair feels softer than usual. By now, it's already hard like a rock, but now it is so much more softer. Also, I have to let you guys know, after having this in, during the washing process, you want to make sure you wash with cold water, guys. You have eggs on your head, so if you use hot water or warm water, you're going to have cooked eggs on your hair. So make sure you wash with cold water. I could have shown you guys, but the process was just so messy. And yes, your hair will smell like avocado and eggs, but after you rinse it off and condition and shampoo, it will be good to go. This is what it looks like after 1 hour 30 minutes, with my curls looking so defined. I have also included some benefits of this treatment. If you guys attempt it, please let me know. I will see you in my next video. Thank you and bye-bye.